Okay, with the blueprint, you're going to have access to 4 products to promote. All right. Access to products you can make money. All right. And it's 100% profit. Right. You're going to have access to master right. All right. To have 100% commission profit on the product you sell. All right. So you're going to have access free social media to post on high traffic websites, right? We're going to teach you how to do copy and paste with CTL, which is call to action, all right? You're going to have access to free email automation. You're going to have access to free funnel. You have access to website, all right? So all you're going to put is your account information, all right? Your PayPal on how to receive money. All right. So all you're going to do is to work 2 hours. All right. So you're going to have access to free mentorship. All right. You're going to have access to the community, which is about 20,000 people right now from all over the world. All right. You have all that just to work for 2 hours a day or 3 hours. All you need is to do what? Work 2 hours or 3 hours a day. You have your phone or laptop and your internet. So you can do it from all over the world. You are in the Asia, Africa, Europe, or here in America. You can do it and have your time back, all right? Spend time with your family, all right? Right? With your loved ones, all right? Not working 16 hours a day. Not working 2 jobs or 3 jobs, all right? So if you want to know more, comment more. I'm going to send you step by step how to get the blueprint.